Hi, I wanted to talk about how to embed within a website another type of artifact that you might create. And this is from a website called VoiceThread, where you can create presentations, host video or audio, and have others comment on the video and audio either through text or uploading their own audio comments to it. So it's a great tool to use in teaching with classes, for example, with various students and assignments. I did create a voice thread, as it's called, on the VoiceThread website, and I wanted to embed it here within my portfolio web page. And I have Wix and its editor up and open right now within our sample portfolio website. And under the best work section here, I have a subpage, and we can tell that by clicking on pages up here under best works. There's a photography subpage under here. And let's go ahead and embed in this page a voice thread. We're going to go to add here, and again to embed and make this visible and not just have a link that you click on and have your viewer go to the web, in this case the VoiceThread website. We want to actually make the VoiceThread visible on our web page, just as we want to do with all the artifacts that we host on our portfolio. So we're going to go to add, and again the HTML is under apps. So just like all the other embedding of objects, we're going to include special HTML embed code. And to do that, we want to put a container on our web page here to hold that HTML embed code. So that's why we will add this app called HTML here. And you can see when we put it on here, it just centers a little box here. We're going to resize this box here to make our container quite a bit larger to host our voice thread and have it be visible instead of in a tiny box here. So then I'll click on our HTML container, click on settings, and under mode here, this is where we always want to change it to HTML code, and this within this window where we're going to paste our HTML embed code. So I'm going to go over to the VoiceThread website right now, and I have a VoiceThread account set up, and I logged in already to VoiceThread, and under the My Voices tab here I have a list of voice threads that I have set up. A few of these here are ones that are already pre-built by VoiceThread and gives you an idea of how to do various things within VoiceThread itself. We're not going to utilize one of those, but I have a particular one right here that is called Great Photographers, and I'm going to go ahead and select this one here to open it up on a web page here. Here is a glimpse into a few of the greatest photographers of the United States. So I'm not going to play back the voice thread here. Actually, I have a narrated slideshow here on great photographers. What I wanted to do was, this is the one voice thread that I want to embed in that photography page. And if I come up under menu here, unselect and select the embed option here, here's where we're going to get our embed code. So I go ahead and click on it, and notice it says copy to clipboard. So I don't have to do a right-click copy or anything. I could have clicked copy this also. Either way, it's copied to the clipboard, and now I have that embed code ready to paste into my Wix editor here. So we'll come back to our Wix web page, HTML embed code area here. We're going to right-click and paste. And just to verify here, we can see that it says voicethread.com, so we know we have the correct one in here. Notice the width and the height here. It's going to be significantly smaller than the width and height that we have within our window here. And let's go ahead and change this. Again, there's two places that we always want to change the width and height. So we're going to make this be something such as, let's make it something like 900 here as the width, and let's say something like 600 as the height. And we need to change this in both places here. There's always, or oftentimes, there's two locations where the width and height is noted, and we want to change both places to be the same exact value for width and height. So 900 for width and 600 for the height up above. And we're going to click on update here. And we have our voice thread embedded within our web page. Notice we have a scroll bar here, which means we don't quite have the height set correctly. So let's see if we can increase the height here to be significantly large enough to get rid of that scroll bar there. Let's go ahead and click on update here, and that seemed to make it worse. So sometimes you just can't fix it, and you may have a scroll bar. The whole window is indeed visible here. So we'll click Update and close this down, and let's go ahead and publish this out to our website and be able to view it here. We'll get our website address here. I'm going to Control-click on it and open up our website. Remember, it was under the Best Work section. We had a subpage photography here on our website, and here is our voice thread here. And if we go ahead and click on play,
Here is a glimpse
we'll be
into
able
a few
to
of the
view
greatest
our
photographers of the United
voice thread
States.
here.
They were all highly skillful and influential.
So you can see, fairly easy, just like embedding any other artifact. It's a matter of finding the embed code on the website where the artifact is hosted, whether it's YouTube or in this case VoiceThread, and getting that HTML embed code and inserting it into the appropriate place in Wix, or again you can do it Weebly, Jimdo, any of the other website tools you might be using.